Question number 1. Glycosidic bond is found in
disaccharides.
Question number 2. Amino acids in a polypeptide are joined by which bond?
Hydrogen bond.
Question number 3. Glucose is also called as
Dextrose, corn sugar, grape sugar.
Question number 4. Hemoglobin is a type of which protein?
Conjugated protein.
Question number 5. The sweetest among all naturally occurring sugar is
Fructose.
Question number 6. Honey contains two sugars. They are
Dextrose and lulose.
Question number 7. Glucose is which type of sugar?
Aldose, hexose.
Question number 8. Lipids associated with cell membrane are called as
Phospholipids.
Question number 9. Carbohydrates are produced by
Some bacteria, algae and plant cells.
Question number 10. About 98% of the mass of every living organism is composed of just 6 elements, including carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and
Phosphorus and sulfur.